Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make brownies in air fryer without chocolate. Preheat your air fryer to 320 degrees F and grease a 6-inch pan that fits the basket. Mix melted butter, sugar, eggs, vanilla, flour, baking powder, a pinch of salt, and carob or cocoa substitute until smooth. Pour batter into the pan and tap to remove air bubbles before cooking. Gather simple pantry staples like butter, sugar, eggs, flour, and a cocoa alternative such as carob powder or roasted cacao substitute. Measure precisely using measuring cups and spoons to ensure a balanced batter. Use 1 teaspoon baking powder and a pinch of salt for lift and flavor. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla extract for depth and stir until the mixture is just combined. Place the filled 6-inch pan in the preheated air fryer and cook at 320 degrees F for 18 to 22 minutes, rotating once if needed for even browning. Use a toothpick to test. It should come out with a few moist crumbs, not wet batter. Rest the brownies in the pan for about 10 minutes to set, then remove and cool on a rack before slicing into neat squares for serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.